So today on the Fixit Shed, I want to talk about replacing the battery in the key integrated remote for your car. So a few weeks ago, I was having trouble with my remote. I would press the buttons and the doors wouldn't unlock or lock. All right, luckily I do have a spare, but I could also use the key part of it to lock and unlock the doors if I wanted to. But let's talk about opening up this key and changing the battery. All right, so typically on these keys, there's going to be a spot where you can fit a little screwdriver or something in. This one happens to be on the corner. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it or not, but it's on the corner right here. There's a little bit of a gap, and I have a screwdriver that you can just fit in there, and you can just start to pop it open, and then you can work your way around. There it goes. All right. Okay, and then the back of it opens up just like that. All right, so here is your button battery. All right, and to get it out, you can just use a little screwdriver or something and just pry it up and pop it out. So this is a fairly standard CR2032 battery. It's used in a lot of different remotes. There are some others out there, but this is probably one of the more common ones. So now what I did was I used a voltmeter to check the voltage on the battery. I no longer have the bad battery, but I do have on these batteries the side that's not printed on. That is your negative side, and the other side, the side that on this one is shiny and has the printing and the battery number on it, and a little plus symbol right over here in the corner. Around battery, right over here on the side. That is your positive side, right? So I'm just going to put the positive on there and the negative there, and you can see that this shows, you know, a little bit over 3 volts. So this is a good battery because these are 3-volt batteries. So if they were under 3 volts, the battery that was bad that I took out was like 0.26 volts or something like that. It was really bad. So that's why it wasn't working. But then, so to replace the battery, you can just place it in here and pop that side down, right? And then that's making contact with the sides of the battery, which is going to be the positive. So this is your positive side, right? And then the negative is going to make contact with these metal tabs right here. So, and then you just pop it back together. Okay, so just for demonstration, so this is also a Fiesta key. It's an older model. It does have a slot here in the back, and you can just pop that open like that. And then there's a couple more slots in the side here. There we go. All right. And you can see that is also a 2032 battery in there. Put that back together. Okay. And this is a Toyota RAV4 key, which if you pull that out, there's a slot here where you can just pop that open. All right. And there's the battery there. It's also a 2032. And this is a Toyota Matrix key. And that has a spot right here where you can open it up. There we go. And also a 2032. All right, so if you're having problems with your remotes on your keys or in your fobs, like this one, so if you have to get closer to the vehicle in order for it to work, and you can't stand far away anymore, there's a good chance that your battery is dying and it's getting weaker. So if you replace your battery, it should take you back to full distance and full functionality. All right, so if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.